I just woke up. It's like 10:30. I know it's a little bit late, but I'm really hungry, so I am going to have some breakfast.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down?
Good morning. So this is my breakfast. Today I am having carrot cake that my sister made last night with some fruits and coffee.
Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth.
Hi. おいで。おいで。全然近寄ってくれないじゃん。So this morning I'm going to be working out. I'm actually doing this 2-week abs challenge right now. Today I'm on day 3. Hopefully I can make it through the challenge. I'm just wearing a normal shirt and some leggings. Look! Like night? Look at that.
Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying.
It is 12:15 right now, and I actually have an online meeting starting from 1. So I have about 45 minutes to get ready. I already did my makeup. It's an online meeting, so I think my outfit is fine. I'm just borrowing my sister's shirt, and I'm still wearing my leggings. Since I have 45 minutes, I'm going to be editing my videos. I'm going to be editing one of the videos for the EF Japan channel. You guys might have already seen the video that I posted before, the video where I explain how I became a producer. Yeah, if you haven't already watched that, the link will be down below, so go check it out. But anyways, I really have to get this done, so I am just gonna start now.
Keep on running from the truth.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi, I'm doing good. Thank you so much for the email.
As always, I'd like to.
Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go.
Alright, I am all finished with my editing. Hold on. I am a mess. I got a new chair, by the way, and it kind of looks like my chair has lungs. It's supposed to like correct your posture and everything because I have really bad posture and I have back pain. So apparently this chair is supposed to relieve that. This has nothing to do with today's video, but just to share what I've been thinking these days, because I'm going into my 3rd year of university. For me, I feel like in my 3rd year of university I should really start thinking about what I want to do in the future, and I don't know, like I feel, just to share what I'm feeling at the moment, but I feel really stuck. I feel like there's so many things I want to do, and there's so many, honestly I think I have a lot of potential to do anything, and I feel like having that type of positive mindset isn't necessarily a bad thing, but at the same time I'm having trouble narrowing it down to what I really want to do. And so right now I'm trying to think about like what I want to do with my life, you know. I just thought I'd share that because I do know that a lot of my viewers are also university students or just students in general. If you feel open to share any of your experiences or any of your emotions or thoughts, you can comment down below, and I would love to read everyone's answers or everyone's feelings. AK Gecker. I have to go to the 整形外科。英語で整形外科は何て言うかわからないんだけど、整形外科に行かなきゃいけないので、今から行ってきます。So on the way back home, it started raining and I am kind of wet. I'm so cold. I didn't know it was gonna rain. I should have brought an umbrella. Actually, I'm like getting a little bit hungry, and so I think I'm gonna get another piece of carrot cake.
I don't know what got me now. Drum blows, yeah, I got the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. There's something to get used to, yeah. No blame.
So currently it is 9 p.m. I just came out of the shower, but I'm going to be calling my friend. I'm super excited. I'm supposed to call her, so I'm just trying to find her contact. And I also realized what a big part friends are in my life, because being able to hang out with them is so normal when there's nothing like this going on, when there's not a global pandemic going on. Now not being able to see them every day or as often has changed my view a little bit towards how I position them in my life. I'm gonna give my friend a call right now. I hope she picks up.
Yeah.
Hi! So I just finished calling my friend. It's 11 now, so I think it's time to go to bed. I think I'll just finish the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Good night!